Hey guys, it's Joe Schmoe here, and today I want to show you how to make an NFT using Rarible. So I'm already at Rarible.com, and you can see my little face guy here in the corner because my wallet is already connected. That's how you log into this site. I use MetaMask, but there are other options, and when you're not connected, there'll be a connect button here, and you just have to click it and connect with the wallet of your choice. So once you're connected, like I am here, there is a create button. So when you click create, it'll get you started. And you can make a single or a multiple of your NFT. I'll click multiple so I can show you what that looks like. It's just one extra field of asking how many you would like to make. And right here you can see it has to be a PNG, GIF, WEBP, MP4 or MP3 file, and the maximum size is 30 MB. So you just got to click choose file and then browse through your computer. I'm just going to select this guy, which is a PNG, hit open, and there he is. And on the side here, you can see a preview of what it looks like as you're populating all these fields on the left side. So there's our NFT. It's an image. You can put it on sale, which I'm going to say yes, but you don't have to. You can just make it to have and not need to sell it, or make it to have and send it to someone else. So I have this on. Oops, there we go. I have it on for put up for sale. And then it has instant sale price. That's where you can set a price. So I'm going to turn that on. But people can also bid on your NFT. And when you turn that on, here's where you can set the price, and you set it in Ethereum. So I'm going to say 0.04 for an example. Service fee at 2.5% to Rarible. So it's saying you will receive, instead of 0.04, you'll get 0.039 ETH, which is currently equivalent to $62.49. So you can play around with that and try to get the right number, and also pay attention to how much it's going to cost you to mint it, because that's certainly a factor. This next area is unlock once purchased. You can turn it on, and I'll show you what it looks like. And it says you can put in a digital key code to redeem or link to a file. Tip, markdown syntax is supported. Okay, I don't know how to use this. I've never used it, but I do know it is used for unlocking special text, a thank you note, even video, a high resolution image of the NFT. So if you are interested in that sort of thing where someone purchases your NFT to unlock something, certainly look into it because it is an option and you can do that. If not, and you just want to keep it simple, just leave it turned off. Okay, then choose collection. Rarible is the default, and as you can see over here in our preview, when this mints, it'll show creator Joe Schmoe, owner will be Joe Schmoe, and the collection is Rarible, and that's what we're on, and that's the default. You can create your own over here. It's an ERC1155 token. And again, if you're interested in creating your own collection, not just calling it a Rarible collection, I suggest looking more into that, because I don't know if there are really any advantages. I don't know if it's because you can write the contract differently and that the Rarible is just a default one. But I've clicked on other NFT creators, and even the big guys, a lot of them just leave it as Rarible, but I've also seen them make their own and call it their own collection. And then there's name is the next field. You have to fill it out. It can be such as the example you see here, redeemable t-shirt with logo. It depends what your NFT is. For my guys, what I did was I gave them names. So this guy, his name is Glutton, so I'm going to call him Glutton. And then I also did hashtag face coins, because I call these guys face coins. And I made 50 of them, so I have a whole set of these guys called face coins to collect. And you can see that hashtag face coins is an easy way to find it if you don't know the name of this guy. You can just find all the face coins and find the one that you like with the silliest name or whatever. So that's the name. Description. The example here is after purchasing, you'll be able to get the real t-shirt. That's for a redeemable NFT. Again, if you just want to keep it simple, whether just getting the digital image or whatnot, you can just write a description of what it is. If it's a picture, maybe you're a photographer, you could say what's in the image, where it was located, like this was in West Virginia, on this mountain or whatever. So for me, because you can put in anything you want, what I do is I put in flavor text. So I make him say something, which is, what he says is, yeah, whoops. It says, yeah, I can eat. Whoops. And it's just like a sentence he says. And it's just fun, gives him a little more character. And that's why I put as a description rather than just saying this is a face coin, he's a collectible, you can buy him to collect him. Next, we have royalties. Since you're the creator, if you were to sell your NFT and then someone were to sell it after that, you will get royalties for always being the creator. So every time someone resells it, right here it's defaulted to 10%. It says suggested 10, 20, 30. I think you can put anything you want. We could say 7. So you can set that there. Number of copies, we can say 10. We can say 100. And again, you can see all this information populating in the preview. We'll just say 100. This is just for a test. So properties. Now this you can also be pretty creative. Like the example here is size, and then it says medium, and that's for that shirt example. What I did was I did prevalence, and I could say common. So he's a common collectible. I could say uncommon, rare, so I'm pretty much saying how rare they are. And then automatically it'll let you do another one. And it's like, oh, I got another idea. I'm going to say set generation number 1. He's part of 50 other NFTs, and they're all generation 1. So if I do a whole bunch more, I can call it generation 2 and generation 3, and that's the set name. So I can keep track of them, and other people can keep track of them. That's another good idea for the type that I'm doing. Again, you can be creative and do whatever works for you. And then what I did for my face coins, on the third one, I said coin number. And he's number 15 out of 50. So he's the 15th that I minted out of the 50 when I launched my face coins. They all have a number. There you go. I could do another one, but I'm not going to. It can go on and on. I don't know how far it goes. And then you have create item. So we're going to hit create item. It's thinking. Okay, there's my MetaMask. It automatically pops up. And it's going to show me how much it cost, the gas fee, to mint this. And right now it's $65.47. So again, when you price your NFTs, keep that in mind, because you're paying here a gas fee of 0.041, which is what I put as the price. 0.041631 Ethereum, which is currently equivalent to this $65.47. And then if you want to confirm, you hit confirm here. But I'm going to reject, because I'm going to say that's too much. And I didn't want to actually make these anyway. I'll show that's cancel. You can X out. Boom. Don't have to worry about it. So that's pretty much it. You can accept and it'll mint it, and then you can go on to your next one and make as many as you want, or as much Ethereum as you have for gas fees. and that's it. So leave a comment if you've made any NFTs or you plan to, tell me about it, and I'll see you guys next time.